What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you 3 really cool interior features of the Z4 Cockpit that really make this a driver-oriented machine. So when I was thinking about buying this car and I met with the seller of the car and started test driving it, these were the 3 first things that I noticed about the car that made me realize that this was a car developed by car guys and one that was going to be driver-centric. So one of the first things that I noticed is that right here you have some padding right next to the steering column, and the reason that's important is when you're sitting inside the car and you rest your leg on the column, you have some padding there that makes it more comfortable to be in. The next thing that I noticed, the second thing, was that this area right here tilts a little bit towards the steering wheel. So if you're sitting on in the car and you put your forearm right there, the natural reaction of your forearm is to tilt towards the steering wheel, which is what I have done here. And then, so that's the second really cool feature that I noticed in the interior. And the third thing that I noticed were these indentations in the steering wheel. Now, as mentioned in my previous video, what's really cool about this car is that, you know, the steering wheel in particular doesn't have any buttons on it, which is, you know, really nice. I think it's different than what you would find in most cars today, and it also you know, sends a clear message that, you know, you don't really need any buttons when you're driving this car. You should be focused on driving and enjoying it. So it's got these indentations here, so when you're holding the steering wheel, your thumb rests in really nicely. I thought that was another little cool detail within the interior of this car. You know, just shows that the guys that were designing this vehicle were car guys, thought about all the little details that could make the driving experience better. And, you know, it's those little things that add up into creating a really fun driver-centric car that the 2003 BMW Z4 3.0i is. Alright guys, thanks for watching this short video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. There are going to be plenty more videos coming your way. Thanks guys.